Hello students, welcome you all in the physical education group. We have 10 chapters in your syllabus for this year for class 11, and you can purchase this Candid Physical Education book. If you want, you can purchase this. This book is good and carrying all the things which are generally asked in the board examination, and its topics are well defined and explained. So I recommend this book and you can purchase this one. First chapter of this physical education is changing trends in and career in the field of physical education. Changing trend means earlier, as you all know, that it was known as पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब खेलोगे कूदोगे तो बनोगे खराब. It was like that. But now the whole scenario is changed. So it is the first chapter. Chapter number 1, changing trends. And in physical education. Changing trends and career in physical education. So changing trends means, as I told you, that earlier the slogans were little different. Now the times little changed. Now people also aware about the good health and importance of physical education. So generally students are taking part, and generally they are taking it as an optional subject in their syllabus, not because of a study but because of being fit. A healthy mind lives in a healthy body. So first of all, we have to keep our body healthy and fit so that we can concentrate on other options also. Okay, so this is very important, and keeping our body fit, definitely physical education help us in that a lot. Means if you are well aware about your body, your systems, which glands are working, internal body systems, then definitely you can take care of your body, your health better than others. So first one is changing trends, okay, and career options. Career options, if we talk about, so career also nowadays so many career options are there in the field of physical education. As you can see, there are many famous commentators, there are many people who are engaged in the field of sport, and they have good earning also. Earlier it was not like that. So nowadays this system, these things totally changed. So career options, if you talk about, there are many. As if you are good in sport, you can be a coach. Coaches are highly demanding. And if you are good in speaking, you can be a commentator, or you can be a sport journalist. Worldwide you can travel with that firm you are attached with or joined with. And other than that, if you are a good player, if you are athletic player, then you can provide the options for training and other things. So these all things are there, and so many other things also that we'll discuss in the chapter. Okay. So it is a vast subject, physical education, not only exercising, but the government introduced it. Why? Because they want us for the overall development. Only study and no work make Jack a dull boy. So you all know that. So study along with the physical efficiency improvement and health improvement. So that is a result to the overall development of any individual. So that is why the government has introduced this physical education in the syllabus. So there are some objectives of physical education. Objectives means there are basically 4: social development, personal development, and personal or physical, you can say, psychological development and emotional development. So this all part means all 4: physical, emotional, psychological and social. this is as an objective of physical education, means once you set an aim and afterwards you have to go gradually to attain it. So these four things are there which we have to attain gradually or slowly to get our aim. Aim is only one, that wholesome development of an individual. So basically all things are there that we'll discuss slowly, and we'll discuss that how we can attain it, and we'll discuss about the different career options in the field of physical education. But before that, I want you to buy the book from the market. It is available everywhere. You have to buy it first, and then you can join the live videos, live classes, and you can attain the video content which we are supposed to posting. We are posting also, so that you can attend every day. And since it is already it is late, so hope so that you will take it sincerely and buy your book. Okay. Today we have this much only. That was for the introduction class. I hope that books you understood, which you have to buy. One more thing, what you have to do, you have to keep one copy, okay, or notebook for writing the notes of physical education. Second one is one practical book. There you have to write the practical which we are supposed to do in the field of in our syllabus, whatever is given. And third one is your book. It is must. Okay, you have to carry it with you. So this one you can buy, Evergreen, Candid Health and Physical Education. Okay, hope you understood everything. So next class, whenever we'll be having, you have to come with your book. Thank you.